Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to open a Microsoft Surface headphones. So let's start. First let me remove this plastic on this box. There we go. So now let's open the box. There is a beautiful case in it. There is one booklet, instructions. We will see this in later. Here we go. Nice plastic leather case. Okay. There we go. So of course, first in the box, headphones. There is something in the ear cup. Okay, feels very premium. There is a Microsoft logo on both sides, and this feels very soft. There is a power button, there is a microphone button, there is a USB-C charger and headphone jack. On the other side it's very clean, and there is both sides dialers on this, one for the volume and one for the noise cancellation. So okay, we will discuss about those in a review video. And let's see what else we have in the box. Okay. Okay, we have a USB-C cable, we have a aux cable, and let's see what it is. There is a touch area to set up and configure your headphones. Go to this. One click play and pause, double click next, triple click previous, and long press to activate Cortana, double click to answer and end call, and long press to decline. Okay, so, all right guys, give me some time to use this and stay tuned for the review video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.